Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on/off any iPhone. And I know this is a really easy tutorial, but a lot of people are actually struggling with this because it's quite hard to actually do. So if you're using an iPhone X without home button or higher, then it's all the same. So what you need to do is you need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So we're going to do that right now. We are going to hold them for a few seconds and then we can see that this screen pops up. You can either cancel it, you can do an emergency SOS, or you can slide to power off. So what we're simply going to do is we're going to slide to power off. Now our iPhone is going to completely turn off, and once you've waited about 5 to 10 seconds of it turning off, you can turn it on again. To turn it on again, all we need to do is do the same. Hold the power button, the volume up button, and now your phone is going to restart again. It's going to take a few seconds and then we can see the Apple logo is showing on the screen, which means that the phone is now rebooting. This will take about 5 to 10 to 15 seconds based on which model you have and how much RAM you have in your phone, of course, but this shouldn't take longer than a few seconds, or max like 30 seconds. Then we're going to simply enable it by simply swiping upwards, entering your passcode, and if you have a SIM card installed, you first need to unlock your SIM card, and that's how you can turn on/off any iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.